Hello, my name is Renata Aulia. I will tell you about how my Eid was. I studied at the National University. I was born in Jakarta on December 25, 2003. Lebaran is another name for the Muslim holiday, which is celebrated every year or every month of Shawwal after a month of Muslim fasting in the month of Ramadan. This Eid, I plan to go to my house in Tangerang, Banten, because many relatives also live there. The location is not too far, only about 2-3 hours from Jakarta. We finally decided on a date to go there. I left on 3rd before it or to be precise on May 13, 2022. I left at around 10 a.m. and the toll road condition was also very smooth. I arrived at 20 a.m. Then we unloaded the goods from the car to be moved into the house. I come to this only every 8 or 8 other interest, so the house looks dirty because no one is inhabited. My sister and I salted it up so that it's comfortable to live in. I didn't realize that the clock was showing 14 a.m. It was almost time to break the fast, but my brother invited me to break the fast outside and watch the kakak in Desa Penari. I also agreed to his invitation. Before arriving at the destination, when breaking the fast had arrived, we rushed to find a place to eat. After eating our food, we rushed to the cinema, which was quite busy because the film was going up. The film was finished at 19 o'clock. We rushed home with a considerable distance from the house. When we got home, we rested on the the last meal. On the next day, Takbir has sounded the sign tomorrow is a feast day. Hari Raya arrived. Our family prepared clothes that we want to wear on this Eid. Then we were around the relative house, which is close to home. Towards noon, a large family finally made a pilgrimage to honor those who had died. Then, when we got home, we rest. It didn't feel like it was late. My boyfriend came home from Minal Aizin with my family. Then we left. Day 2 night I rushed home, but on the way it rained heavily and we continued our journey. The next day we planned to go back to Jakarta, but it didn't happen because we had not prepared anything and planned to go home tomorrow morning. Then into the afternoon, my boyfriend took my sister out for coffee with my sister too. Then on the next day we also prepared the goods to return to Jakarta. We left on 11 a.m. and the toll road was still smooth. We arrived at 13 a.m. 30 minutes earlier than usual. We unloaded our belongings and took them home. After passing the trip earlier, we ordered food through the application and ate the food. After tidying up our things, we rested. The next day, on May 5, 2022, my father's brother and I took my sister and I to visit the Tiger Museum in West Jakarta. When we got there, it was quite crowded with visitors, but we also took photo in the art gallery. It didn't feel like it was getting late. In the afternoon, we looked for the nearest coffee place before we went home. After eating and our drinks, we went home and rested. The next day, or to be precise, on May 6, 2022, my high school friend invited me to Halal Bihalal at their house, and we gathered around 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. and my friend took me. Then my best friend asked me to go to Lawson tomorrow. I initially refused but finally said yes. The day arrived on May 7, 2022, and then I met my best friend for I hadn't seen in a long time with a big hug. We told story and took some photo and video, and then we went home. So many of my story have been complete until here, from the day before it to the day after a few days of it. Thanks for watching this video. I say Minal Aizin wal Faizin.